All right, guys, we have got the NEXPOW car battery jump starter with air compressor. And also, this is a portable power bank that can actually charge up your phone and tablet devices. So this thing is a very cool unit. Going to show you all how it works. So you've got all the buttons right here. That's the power button right there. Over here on the side is actually where you plug the jump starter part in. That's this right here. So those are the jumper cables. This is the unit. And basically all you do to get this going is you just plug it in, and then your car's ready to be jump started. We're going to try that here in a bit, but I just wanted to go through the functionality first. So then you have the air compressor hose, and all you do with that is just screw that into the side of the unit. And then what we do is just hook that up to our tire, and they have attachments in here that will work for car, bicycle, ball, anything like that. So this is a great device. Think about the emergency uses of this. You can jumpstart your car if it dies. You can put air in your tire if you run over something or if your tires are low and you're in the middle of nowhere. Don't wait for somebody to pull over on the side of the road. Let's face it, people aren't that nice these days. They're looking out for themselves and they're scared. So you need to have this in your car. You don't need to wait for someone to pull over. You don't need AAA. You've got the jump starter right here. You've got the air compressor right here. So in order to actually recharge the device itself, all you do on the end here is you just plug this in, and you can actually plug this into a cigarette lighter. So that's very cool. But not only that, you can charge it up with a USB-C cable. So that's what they provide here. And the USB-C basically just, attaches right in here. And the other end attaches to a USB port or adapter. So you can charge it either with a cigarette adapter or with USB-C directly. And also, they include a USB to USB-C adapter, which will allow you to charge devices like your headphones, your phone, all those kinds of things. And last thing I want to show before we actually test the unit out is it comes in a very nice box that you can store in your center console or in the back of your car by your tire. As far as turning it on, just power it on. Power's on. It's got a nice little... So we have a 16% charge right now, so we're obviously going to need to charge that up soon, but enough to be able to test it out. We also, let's go through different functionality. Okay, so we have the PSI on. That works really well. Let's go ahead and test this out. There's actually a flashlight here. So all you do is hold down the power button for 3 seconds, and the flashlight comes on. Then you also have like a strobe kind of light, and then you have a blinking light for like SOS. So dude, this is just a very cool emergency device. All right, guys, we're out here. We've got our jumper cable set up. We've got it on. All we do is basically we plug the red onto the positive. We put the black onto the negative. And then we go start the car. And it's running. So, as you can see, very simple and easy to use. I think you need to get this. It's a very nice device. All right, guys, so we're just going to show the air compressor function. So we use PSI here. So I've got the PSI set. Actually, let's go back to that. So we've got PSI. I'm going to set it to just like 32 and just run it for a second. You can see it's pumping it up right now. We'll just see. There we go. There we go. So it made it all the way to 32 PSI. So you can see these things come in handy. The fact that they got the light on there, the air compressor, the ability to jumpstart your car. I mean, this thing's versatile, and I think you should have one of these in the back of your car.